Enabling Face ID on the Goat app can enhance your security and streamline your login process. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Goat app. Launch the Goat app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select security settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enable Face ID. Find the option for Face ID or biometric authentication. Toggle the switch to enable Face ID. You may be prompted to confirm your choice or enter your password. Step 5. Test Face ID. Once enabled, log out of your account and log back in to test the Face ID feature. Ensure that your face is recognized and that you can access your account seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily enable Face ID on the Goat app for a more secure and convenient experience. Enjoy your shopping.